Look at that beautiful fish. Got him on the hopper too.
First
Oh man. Got one. With the summer heat still baking the valleys down below, we sought refuge up above tree line in the high Alpine. Having spent many lunch breaks at work staring at Google Maps looking for tiny blue dots in the mountains, we finally headed up to a place that I've been daydreaming about. There's definitely something special about the higher elevations. The rugged landscape provides for an environment where only the hardiest of creatures can survive. The trail leading up the mountain is not overly technical, but it's certainly not anything for beginners to try out. But the route's difficulty and length just make the destination that much more rewarding. But it wasn't just the views and the sense of adventure that brought us up to this alpine lake. We were on the hunt for some cutthroat trout.
Heard some splashing in his ribs, boys.
I saw one just jump out way out in the middle. It was almost with a sense of guilt that we broke the mirror-like plane of that pristine lake, as if we were violating some leave-no-trace ethics. But as we sat and watched the surface, we saw fish rising. With our hopper droppers rigged, we waded into the water. So just out here you can see there's like a ledge where it drops off. That's perfect. Okay. Yeah. Oh, one went for it and I panicked. Oh. Well, the sun came back out, so they were going crazy when it was overcast. See them rising way out in the middle. Oh my gosh, there's one right there. Oh my gosh, come on, man. Thought you had something. Having just grieved the loss of her favorite purple hippie stomper, I was thrilled to hear her say the excited words, "I got a fish." Oh my gosh, let me see. Look at that beautiful fish. Look at that beautiful fish. Got him on the hopper too. See that? Oh man. Yeah, it's a beautiful one too. Good job, honey.
Thanks.
Now you're addicted.
Finally.
She got the skunk off, folks. She got the skunk off.
Woo!
Oh man. Now this was Caitlin's first catch on a fly rod. The further I cast, the further they jump. Well, that's how I always catch my fish, is like really close to me, but I always try to cast really far away because it looks so cool. I was excited thinking about the story I was going to tell my buddies when I got back to work the next day about Caitlin catching her first fish, and then it dawned on me they'd inevitably ask, "And how did you do?" I got one! Oh, he got off. Talk about pressure. Got one. Oh, he's big. Yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's running. Oh, oh, come on, dude. Gotcha. Woo! You want to hold my rod? Oh boy. Whoa! Don't jump out.
Floppy, floppy, floppy.
I gotta get pictures of you. Oh, you hear him? He's like, get this out of my mouth. There, you got him.
He's like, I'm out of here.
Yeah.
See ya. I'm not eating ever again.
Well, that was exciting.
He's a real cool one.
Yeah, wasn't that pretty?
Yeah, he's like, you'll never get me. You'll never get me alive. I'd probably be hanging out around there. There wasn't any other fish. Except we were like, oh, those are just rocks.
This is just wild. You guys like it here? Even though there were fish still rising all across the lake and we had both only netted one apiece, the shadows started to get long, and the thought of driving down that trail in the dark was enough to motivate me to start heading home. But luckily, with the sun at that angle in the sky was enough to illuminate the peaks and give us quite the beautiful show as we made our way down the mountain.